Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to take your stuffed animal chaos to a cute storage system, then you have to check out this adorable stuffed animal storage from Woodure. This allows my son to create his very own little zoo in his room. His stuffed animal collection has gotten a little out of hand, and it seemed like they were always all over the floor. So we needed a fun and practical solution, and this set has been amazing. Not only does it store all of his stuffed animals, which he can easily put in there and take out, but it also creates a fun activity for him too. This animal storage is made of pine wood, and the installation and setup was so easy. I literally did not need to use a single tool, and everything just fit together so well. I'm really impressed at the elastic that comes with it too. It creates the little bar illusion to keep the animals inside from escaping. But what I really like about it is it's pretty sturdy actually. So it's strong enough to keep them inside, but easy enough for my son to pull his animals through as well. It also did come with some additional elastic straps, which I really appreciate because obviously the more we use them, the less elasticity there's going to be there. I have to admit, one of my favorite little accessories is the customizable sign that comes with it. I allowed my son to name his zoo and write it in his own handwriting, and I have to say, I'm probably going to keep this sign forever because it's absolutely adorable. Not only is this great at storing stuffies, but it's actually really fun too. So the kids can have fun creating their own zoo, arranging the animals how they want, even creating fun little scenes with it too. So if you and your kids are looking for the ultimate stuffy storage solution, this is absolutely it. You will not be disappointed. And that's just our point of view.